Hey y'all, welcome back to the set. I am thrilled you're here. Hey, today we're going to do a beautiful chicken lettuce wrap on the Blackstone Griddle. We're using some of our friends from Bachan's. We're going to use some of their sauce in on this. It's going to be some good groceries, y'all. You will not want to miss it. That's some good groceries. We got a few things to chop up here. While you're doing this, go ahead and get your griddle. Go ahead and get it on. You want it really, really hot, especially in the middle, right where you're gonna put that chicken. So go ahead, get that ready, and then we're gonna prep our vegetables and other items right now. All right, starting out first, we're gonna do some water chestnuts. If I can figure this can opener out. Here we go. And we're just gonna drain the water off of this, and then we're gonna put it on our cutting board. These are already diced. And we're going to dice them just a little finer because they're slightly larger than what I want. All right, next we got some sliced Bella mushrooms. We're going to do the same thing with these. We're just going to give these things a rough chop. One thing I like to do is I like to stack many mushrooms as possible up so I can chop more at one time instead of doing just one at a time. Next we're going to slice up some of these beautiful green onions. And I like using the white tops for my dishes, especially Asian dishes. And then you can use the greens for your garnish. Guys, it's time to get started. Our Blackstone, nice and hot, nice and smoking. Let's get going. All right, we're gonna start out with some avocado oil and olive oil blend. Get that down. We're gonna get our mushrooms started. And I like to do the mushrooms first, and it kind of gets some of that moisture out of the mushrooms. And we're gonna do our green onions and our water chestnuts. Then put some more oil down and get your chicken ready. We're gonna lay this down on the griddle and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After a couple minutes, toss your vegetables around. Make sure they're all right. After a couple minutes on that side of that chicken, we're gonna flip it over, put it on the other side. Try to put it on a different spot on the griddle because the spot you had it on is slightly less temperature. After your mushrooms are done, I'm just gonna put everything all together, all in one. Our chicken, we're gonna flip over, and we're just going to chop this up to have nice bite-sized little pieces. All right, now we're going to take all the vegetables and we're going to add it to our chicken. Let's bring the heat down now. We don't need everything at full blast like we did. Now we're going to use some of this Bachan's Uzu sauce. This is kind of like a umami. It's a fruity, kind of teriyaki kind of flavor. We're just going to come in here, squirt this all around. Oh man, look at that. Ooh, the smell is amazing. We're just going to mix this for about a minute or so until it's all incorporated. Your chicken, everything's done. We're just trying to incorporate this beautiful sauce into this mixture. Oh man, look at this. Boy, it is done, ready to go. We're going to garnish this with a little bit of green onions here. Boy, we bougie. Look at this. Dang it, boys and girls. All right, y'all, there is nothing more to do but to try these groceries. Let's do it. Got an old piece of lettuce right here. We're gonna fill this thing up. Oh man alive. Look at this right here. I like mine extra full. I'm gonna take a little bit more of this Uzu sauce and we're just gonna drizzle it on there. It's a little finish. Wrap her up. Ooh, doggy. Cheers. That Uzu sauce is so good. Very vibrant. I love the crunch of those water chestnuts. So good. Then the crunch of the lettuce. So good. Y'all, this is a slam dunk. Guaranteed to be great for a dinner, appetizer. Take it over to a party. The Andersons will love you. Y'all, this is all I got. I appreciate you watching. Hey, check out our friends Bachan's for a lot of their great sauce, good stuff, good groceries. And also head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll find other awesome recipes just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.